Alright, gearheads and two-wheel fanatics, buckle up. Today, we're diving headfirst into a project that'll make your engines rev. A full restoration of a classic Honda Wave 100. Get ready to see this little beauty go from rusty relic to road-ready rocket. So, why the Wave 100? Well, it's a legendary scooter, known for its reliability and zippy performance. Plus, let's be honest, they're super cool. Mine, however, was looking a bit neglected. Think more barn find and less showroom shine. But don't worry, we're about to change that. First things first, the teardown. This is where the real fun begins, or the real challenge, depending on your perspective. We carefully took apart every single piece, from the fairings to the engine. Every nut, bolt, and wire was meticulously documented. It's like an automotive puzzle, and trust me, it's incredibly satisfying to see everything laid out neatly. Next up, the dirty work. We're talking about cleaning, and more cleaning. Every part got a thorough scrub down. Years of grime and gunk had to go. We used a combination of elbow grease, degreasers, and a few secret weapons. Seeing the parts start to gleam was a massive morale boost. Believe me. Then came the engine overhaul. The heart of the Wave 100 needed some serious love. We replaced worn-out parts, gave it a fresh coat of paint, and carefully reassembled it. The engine is the soul of the machine, and the most difficult part of the restoration. When the engine fired up for the first time, the roar was music to my ears. After the engine, we moved on to the bodywork. The fairings were looking a little worse for wear, so we got them prepped, primed, and painted. Choosing the right color is crucial. And trust me, I took my time. We went with a classic color scheme that would really make it pop. Paint is an important factor to highlight the beauty of the motorcycle. Then the reassembly begins. This is where all those hours of labor come together. The frame, the engine, the bodywork, the wiring all come together to create a fully restored motorcycle. This is an amazing moment of the whole restoration project. Finally, the moment of truth. After weeks of work, the Wave 100 was finally ready for its maiden voyage. Taking it for the first spin felt incredible. It wasn't just a motorcycle anymore, it was a statement. A testament to hard work and the enduring appeal of a classic. And this is exactly the goal of the restoration project. So, there you have it, folks. A classic Honda Wave 100, brought back to life. It was a long journey, but every moment was worth it. If you're thinking about taking on a restoration project, go for it. It's challenging, rewarding, and a whole lot of fun. Until next time, keep wrenching.